I think the volume on my side is pretty high. Pop out the chat. Okay. Cool. So everyone, let's start. So today in this video, what I'm doing is I would like start with another thing, which would be, hey, hi Manshu, bro, how is it going? How's it going? It's good here. Let's move the chat. Okay, so for the first 5-10 minutes, let's talk about a new ID in town. And this is created by ByteDance, the company behind TikTok. So I think the whole app is being built by the engineers using this ID because, well, they have launched this. Vivek, do you trust China ID? Yeah, that's a good question. But yeah, I would love to see what they have done. I don't know anything about it for now, so I wanted to do this in this chat, like in this live stream. So let's go and see what this is all about. So I'm just going through the landing page. Shift faster with Trey. Cool. Trey is an adaptive AI ID that transforms how you work, collaborating with you to run faster. Cool, cool. So far looking nice. And let's see how it looks like. What if you had an AI engineer? Well, we have Windsurf and Cursor for that. And I like the logo. I'm really inspired with this logo looking like red terminal. Okay, so it's a very like a marketing video. I do not get like how it's different, and maybe they do not want to make it different. Maybe this is just to catering to Chinese developers, but the website is looking pretty clean. Collaboration is you and Trey. Trey is your ideal development partner, seamlessly balancing human and AI capabilities. This dynamic collaboration ensures each task is handled by the most suitable agent. A very gibberish thing. Okay, but yeah, good to have it on landing page. Chat to build a project faster. Yeah, this is what I'm interested in. So they are showing here kind of an agentic workflow. Is it? It's how Windsurf works. Kind of similar. Okay, so there is also Claude. So they're not using their own Chinese model, but Claude. Okay, upload images. Cool. Upload image. We have that in Windsurf and Cursor. Get better results with full context. Trey is designed to analyze you. Okay, analyzing workspace folder files. Well, all of them does the same thing. Boost efficiency with the smart completion. Yep, they do the same thing. Loved by devs. Okay, get started for free. Yeah, one thing I see is in this page, there is no mention of any pricing. So yeah, let's go and hope our systems do not get hijacked by Chinese hackers. We should not say that. China is doing a pretty good job so far, based on like making DeepSeek open source and now pushing this ID. Someone is competing. Okay, let's see. So we have installed Trey and let's try to run it open. Because UI is great, I heard, and it makes sense with TikTok experience they have. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. With TikTok, I think they know the market and all pretty good. And ByteDance is a big company, a huge company. I think this is by ByteDance, right? Because TikTok is owned by them. Welcome to Trey. Get started. Cool. So I don't think the UI or the onboarding for Cursor or Windsurf was this smooth. Deep blue. Okay, dark and deep blue. Let's take deep blue. What are languages? Okay, so there is Chinese and English, only 2 languages. That's cool. Add the command, install Trey command. Why? No, I don't need that. I will never use this command. You are ready to go. Log in. Okay, so we can skip it as well. Nice. So I don't want to log in. Let's see. Where is my code editor? What? It shut itself down. Allow. Okay, this is the first impression. Jatin Verma, hi, recently discovered your channel. Love your work. Hey, welcome to the stream, Jatin. Thank you so much for your comment. So I want to just increase the font a little bit. And yeah, initial impression with this, it's pretty clean. Like it's really clean. I like it. Wow, this is very clean, guys. Shivanshu, hello. Hello, Vishnu. Welcome, guys. Welcome. The gang is assembling. Avengers, the coders, assemble. Okay, so far I like the design philosophy, the designs and the color theme, everything is looking good. I just want to make sure, is this again a VS Code fork or they have built it themselves? Because if they have built it themselves, then well, it can never beat Cursor and Windsurf because VS Code is ahead, leaps and bound now with all this extension. Yeah, if they have extension, then pretty sure. If they have client, it's a VS Code. Yep, this is a VS Code fork, guys. Pretty sure this is a VS Code fork. Yeah, similar. So only thing is, okay, so we cannot use the AI until we log in. They should mention that in the onboarding. I do not want to give them my GitHub access. Also, I do not want to give them my this account access. So which account should I use? No, all of these are good. Okay, it's okay. The email is fine. Login to Trade Desktop. Okay, login. AI is connecting to port. Okay, I just need to keep a tab on this, guys. Vishnu, I was home from college, was searching YouTube and found out about Trey, and I was planning to tell you about it when I searched your channel and I saw today's live was about. Yeah, Vishnu, that's a coincidental thing. But yeah, you guys all are like in the same ecosystem. We all are in the same ecosystem. But yeah, this is very interesting. Vivek, everyone is VS Code folk, and some also folk continue to add that chat feature. Peer AI did that. Ah, okay. Yeah, I think Peer AI got this YC funding. It was a big news. But yeah, let's continue our test here. Try chat mode, encountering error in the terminal, try add to chat and AI will help to resolve them. Cool. So the same project which we are currently working on, post handle. One thing which I don't like is because I have selected blue, but it's showing me this in dark color, which generally doesn't happen. This is showing in light color. Yeah. Post handle. Cool. Trey would like to access files in your documents folder. I can't do anything else. Like I have to allow it. Yes. Allow. Yes, I trust the author. I'll remove it as soon as I'm done with it. Unfortunately, Trey works only on Mac right now. Bad luck for me. Ah, okay. I didn't know that. But if it's a VS Code fork, they're just struggling to maybe package it for Windows because, well, VS Code is built for both. Everyone is VS Code fork. Okay, this we have read. So how many models they have? Bad. They don't have O1. They have only 4O and Sonnet. Or not in the DeepSeek. I mean, they should add DeepSeek. It's a Chinese company. But it's fine. Context wise, same thing they are giving. Anything like commit? No. Any add? No. So we can't do add. We can do hash. Okay. Hash code and search for function and class name. Very minimalistic so far, except for design. Nothing so extraordinary. Let's do one thing. Okay. Can you run, or let's say, can you commit? Let's see. AI is thinking. I apologize, but I cannot directly commit. You can do this. Sad. Windsurf can do this. So far, so sad. So, except for design, which to be honest, I'm really liking it. Very minimalistic. I don't know. Like I have said it twice, thrice, but oh wow, they have a web view. But let's say if I run it, oh nice. So they can, okay. So you can technically run your app here and then you can open it in browser. So my theory is, so this is because this is, I think, first version of this tray which we have found out. What they are going for is they are integrating WebView. There will be terminal, and then it will become like a full AI ID which can do things on the browser, can do like talk to it via terminal, change code. So it can become a full-fledged like a agent, coding agent. Because Devin, if you know about it, it does the same thing. Devin AI. It's pretty pricey, can't test it. Like I think it's how much? It's $500. Yeah, it's $500 per month. And I've heard like about reviews, not that great, but the way it works, it's pretty unique. So it has its own browser, its own terminal, its own like editor. So and also now they have this planner also. So it can make changes, test them in a browser, and make a PR on your GitHub. So that's pretty interesting. And I think these all the browsers or these IDs will go in the same route of doing all this. But I okay, so there is a builder. Wow, okay. Easily build a project from scratch in builder mode. Any changes to code files will be automatically saved. Code snippet, files, folder, and potentially move accurate answer. Okay. Let's see one thing. I want to see if it has new file dot tray or what is the name? Tray rules. Does it support this? Command I. Okay, so this is using command I here. Okay, so I just want to say always start your serve with boss, and I want to salute. Yes, 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 yes. Hey, can you add a time in button on controller which says add text? Let's see. Oh wow, so tray rules works. It's starting with boss. Okay. Vivek, if it is running in VS Code, then how? What is the browser then? I mean, VS Code, you can fork it and you can run a web view on their like Electron app. It's pretty easy. So what they want to do is like make it more agentic. So now it has a web view. So the agent can access that web view, test your app. That will be the future. Like in next 2-3 versions, I think there's the company would go. Guys, so you guys are liking it here for cursor, right? But I am these days inclining towards windsurf a little bit. The way they have pushed this latest update, it's crazy. I'm really liking that memory feature they have added. I'm also liking the whole agentic flow, how it works. It is performing really, really well. So I don't see anything which cursor has as an advantage anymore. And also like windsurf has this global rule. I don't know if cursor has that because I am a long time cursor user, and today and yesterday I was just using windsurf, and to be honest I was surfing like it was so quick. Amit, hi Divyanshu. Hi Amit, welcome to the stream. So what it has done, added a new add text how review. So looks exactly similar how windsurf works, exactly same. One file needs to be reviewed. Yeah, this is fine, but did you, here I can see errors, bro. Why? And is there a button AI fix? Let's see AI fix. What it's saying accept. So yeah, I think there are some bugs. It's not as smooth as windsurf or any other IDs. Another thing I'm really interested to know is what's the pricing here, because they haven't mentioned any pricing. So it must be free. So if anyone of you is doing this, it would be interesting. Like just try the free version as long as it's free. Just make as much as possible. And if you guys hit any limit, do let me know how long we can code freely in this. We'll try windsurf these weekend. Yeah, Vivek, do try. Do let me know how it works for you. Ashutosh, can you show now how windsurf looks like? Yeah, sure. So we can open wind post handle there. So as I was talking about the UI, right? So UI is very minimalistic. They have removed a lot of things. So you can only see, you see, the buttons are on the top. The post handle is very clearly visible. The buttons are very rounded. And overall, like I'm liking that. So here is Windsurf. So let's say if I ask the same thing to Windsurf. Hey Israr, welcome back, man. Vishnu, right now it's free with two AI models, GPT and Claude, but it comes with some drawbacks, right? I mean, drawbacks wise, it's not at par with the features with Windsurf and Cursor, but it will be in the few versions. And I think then they will start the pro thing. Right now, they're just testing it out. And also, like, people will be a little bit hesitant as it's a Chinese ID. So, not a lot of people will jump right away, especially like companies would not. Indies can. Vivek, Windsurf YouTube channel too good. They make tutorials and also tips. Yeah, I saw like overall the way Windsurf is projecting or marketing, it's like making IDs cool kind of thing. Like you're surfing and all. Their CEO is also very interesting guy. Amit, I tried Windsurf for 2-3 days, then I reached my limit. You mean in the paid plan? Vivek, you can refer that as well for max output. Which one? It's rare. Vivek, you don't even need to wait till weekend. If you are using VS Code, shifting is so seamless. It took me 5 minutes and I'm loving it. Yeah, any of these like tools just give you a direct button to export everything to like either Windsurf or Cursor, and all your properties, extensions, everything, even the themes and all. What I have done, I think I have mentioned it earlier, I have renamed my app to Visual Code Editor, not Cursor, because I have this muscle memory. Whenever I used to do the search, I used to do like VS Code and I want only Cursor to open. So yeah, renaming worked. Harshit, boss, no background music. There is a background music. Okay, maybe it was very slow. Is it good now? I just don't want it to be too loud. Watching stream from kitchen. Esra, I think you're having dinner now. Prithviraj, what's up? Hey, hi Prithviraj, welcome back. Amit, free one. What is free? Okay, free one. Yeah, free one. There might be a limit, but for me, I am on their last stream I saw. You can't see this, so I am on their pro plan, which is $10 a month, and I have like a lot remaining still. And I don't know how premium flex will be added. Need more credit? Click here. What's the plan? Yeah, just for my knowledge base, I just want to know purchase flex credits. How much? Okay, so $10 they will give me Windsurf Pro 300 quantity 1. I can buy more. Okay, so $10 for 300 Pro credits. But what about, this is expensive. After 1300 it will be like 300 per $10 for 300. Pretty expensive. Yeah, but Windsurf for now it's a very good deal. $10 compared to Cursor's $20. And Windsurf has this like a full agentic mode right now, which works very nicely. And I found some issues with Windsurf, like this feature, you know, inline chat. This doesn't work that good compared to how it works in Cursor. So I'm thinking the way they are like overriding the code, there is some issue with that thing. And because both of them are using Claude in my case, but still I found out Windsurf was making more mistakes compared to Cursor. And this is what I'm making a video like maybe next week, where I will make one single app on all three of these IDs and we'll discuss that. But yeah, where is Trey? So far Trey is except for design, I am like disappointed a bit, so we have to reject all. It added a error, nothing more. So yeah, what else we can check? Deep blue, how is dark? Yeah, dark is also nice. Cool. So this was a good test. I don't want this thing to be running on my machine. So what I'll do is I will remove everything. Okay, not here. Finder. Application. Yeah, because I don't want to use tray, guys. Not now. There's nothing which excited me. It's just a copy of Windsurf and Cursor, I believe, right now. They have definitely started after all these IDs and they have copied everything. They are trying to copy everything. So yeah, not cool. And another thing which I found out today was this ByteDance UI Tars desktop. This I am definitely not installing on my machine. So what it does is it will hijack my cursor because it will take all my permissions and then can run command like a agent. So here is a small example. If you guys can see, this is how the UI Tars will run. And why is it not running? Why this video is not running? Is this video deleted? Oh, my internet is not running. Let's see. Yeah, so this is how it will run. Get the weather it has, and now it's thinking. It will click automatically. It will go to Google. It will search. It will do this by itself, and it will find the weather, and then it will just send you the screenshot or just message you. So this could have many advantages. Like for example, you can run a local automation when you're not sitting in your system. For example, like tweeting things or like a lot of things. Like you have a local agent which is running and you just in a human language, you can tell it to do whatever you want and it will do it for you. And I think Claude also released something like that. But this is by a Chinese company. I definitely do not want it to be on my system right now. It's open source. Like obviously people might have vetted it already, but still, I'm not very comfortable. Vishnu, cursor is greater than Windsurf. That I was saying last week, Vishnu, but the landscape is changing so quickly. People are pushing so many features and updates that so many greater than signs are becoming equal to at some times, and then they're shifting. So this keeps on changing. Vivek, Zuma's cat, what are we building today? Zuma, building not started, but we are just talking about Tray, the new IDE by ByteDance. Baking some protein. That's interesting, Israr. 18 viewers. Why you guys don't have keyboard? Yeah, guys, anyone who is here watching would appreciate if you guys just ask, say, tell anything. It's very interesting if we talk about things. Shivanshu, can you all like the video while we are watching? Oh yeah, that would be so nice. Like the video might reach a lot more people. You can also best companies tracker to keep moving your mouse. Yeah. I think this is, I was watching a podcast by some CEO of one of these companies, and he said like at this COVID time, I think 2021, after that their company has like seen a massive boom because remote work started skyrocketing, and a lot of people are buying these small tools where you put your mouse and it just jiggles it. I think those are called mouse jigglers. Oh yeah, mouse jigglers. Yeah, this mouse jiggler. This is a company, guys. This is a real product which is being sold. Yeah. So my question was, is the mouse jiggler company's employees using mouse jiggler themselves as well? This is so shady things people buy and sell. Amit, bro, they charge $15 a month for Windsurf Pro. How do you get it for 10? Okay, Amit. So I don't know, like maybe I was I made my account in the very beginning, so they gave me this early adopter price. So guys, I'm sorry to brag about this. So it's $15, but I got it for $10. I installed the Codium as soon as it came. I think the day it launched, I was like using it. I was not a paid user, but I was using it. I just started paying this month for it. And the next plan is like $60 a month. Shit. Infinite premium model. What? Yeah, this is a good deal if anyone is using it like crazy. Once you go burr, what's that? That GIF is there, right? Go burr GIF. I love that GIF. This, yeah. Once anyone is coding like this, so you can push the code like this, then you have to buy the $60 monthly plan. It kind of, hey mommy, mom is here, guys. And the CEO wrote a program to find who is using these mouse jigglers. I heard that story. Okay. Setup tour when. Yeah, happy life. I am shooting it. I shot couple of videos today, and I might finish tomorrow. So yeah, most probably this weekend. Vivek, I will crack Windsurf Pro. Forget 10-15 debate. Oh man, yeah. Vivek shared some steps. There were a lot of steps involved. So yeah, I thought like it's better for me to just keep paying the $10 than doing those steps. But yeah, he has some tips and tricks to crack Cursor. Interesting. Okay, so now I think we can start our session, and I can go back to shouting at my AI to make things. Vivek, thing is, these companies store the usage in laptop locally. If you somehow bypass that or find a way to clean it, it's easy. I mean, yeah, it depends. So I do not know how they are doing, but definitely it's very costly if they do it locally. Anyone can bypass that. Because it's costly, right, for the company paying for this. The company has to take that price on their pocket. So what I think is they definitely send each request to their server as a routed via their server and check if user has the credits. But for some reason, maybe their older version might not have that logic because they wanted to push fast, so they will be working. But local one, new one, I'm definitely sure would not. Vishnu, yeah, waiting for the setup tool. Yeah, guys, I can't promise, but most probably this weekend. Okay, we don't need these tray rules. High level idea is if some new IDE comes, its first version is not that secure, so play with that. Yes, you can play with the tray IDE, guys. Hack the tray IDE. My trick is I have an old version of Cursor which was not secure. Yeah, it was very interesting, Vivek. Thank you for sharing. I think you deleted that message afterwards, but yeah, there were so many steps involved that I thought, yeah, man, it's okay. I'm okay to pay this $10. Vishnu, I heard a story about a guy today. He partnered up with creators and built $1 million business in a month. He made around 4 businesses worth $1 million. Interesting. Yeah, partnering up with creators is a good boost you can get for your business. But yeah, it's very hard. Like, you have to be really good so that these creators would partner with you. Vivek, so I'm using that only for free past 4 months. Oh yeah, Vivek, nice. That's very interesting. Shridatt, hi. Do you play console games? Shridatt, I used to play in my PS3. No, not PS3. It was PS. What's the latest one? PS5, right? So the previous one, PS4. But I sold it, and I used to play this game. What was it name? The girl and this. The girl is in this future where there are like robots as well. I forgot the name. Maybe Shivanshu, if you are here, you can remind me. I used to play that a lot. The only game I finished, and after that I moved to Switch, which I was back then I was in Bangalore, so I rented it from one store to play just one game. That was Zelda, and yeah, Zelda I finished. Not alone, like I took help of Himanshu on it, and nowadays I'm playing this Red Dead Redemption 2 sometimes in my Steam Deck. So yeah, that's the only game I play. Yeah, I deleted that. Sorry. No worries, Shivam. Sorry, Vivek. Atharv, hi, Atharv. How are you doing? So I did some changes on the stream. Is the quality better than yesterday? Anybody can notice any change? Sridhar, what do you suggest, PS5 or Stream Deck? Sridhar, it's a very personal choice. So for me, PS5 I don't play because I don't like sitting in front of TV whenever I want to play a game. I want to just be anywhere I am, and that's why Steam Deck makes more sense for me. I need like portability, and if you are someone who is okay to play in front of TV, I think PS5 is like has a better quality, better like catalog of games. So yeah, again comes to the personal choice. Steam Deck is okay to play, but sometimes not all games works first of all, and not all games are available. Like only Windows games are there, not PS games. Himanshu, Horizon. Yeah, Horizon Zero Dawn. Yeah, that was the game. Thank you. Atharv, your take on Rogue Alley. It's available on 3940. What is Rogue Alley? Let me check. Rogue Alley. Oh, okay, I think this recently launched, right? Something. Yeah, now I think these local small like portable devices will start coming, because the hardware is becoming smaller and smaller and performing well. So yeah, it makes sense. I have no like review of it because I haven't seen anything, but again it comes to a very personal preference of portability versus high-end gaming. So I don't think you can do a high-end gaming in these consoles. Even in Nintendo Switch you can only play those type of games, not like a hardcore AAA games. Vivek, how you keep yourself updated? I Twitter, Hacker News, newsletter, what else? Yeah, mostly this. You have listed all the things. Mostly Twitter. Twitter is like my always go-to, and there is this, Google's default screen when you go in Chrome in mobile. There I see like news which is catered to me, like the algorithm. So basically algorithm helps me keep me updated. And I do one thing very proactively, that is disliking any news which I don't want to involve in. Like anything which I really do not want to think about, or is even if it's interesting, I don't want to go in that direction. I just dislike it so that my timeline doesn't get bad. Even like my okay, so this reminds me of an idea which came to me few weeks back. I was thinking like I wanted to make a web app where you can screenshot your YouTube timeline, and then AI would suggest you what kind of person you are, because then it will reverse engineer the algorithm for you, like what kind of person you are, what kind of news you like, because that YouTube timeline is tailored to your taste, what you watch and how you do. Yeah, again, anybody is interested, I would love to test that app. Just a screenshot your YouTube timeline and it will tell you all about you. The AI will tell you. Or we can do it just by sending a message to ChatGPT as well. Amit, can you recommend a good screen bar or table lamp? I don't want to drop 15,000 on BankQ. Yeah, I did not drop that much. This is a cheap one which I got. What was its name? So BankQ is around 10k. This one was, yeah, mine is this one. It's 4k. And I think when I got this, it was a little bit more cheaper. So maybe 3k or something. Yeah. Now I see there are a lot of more options. There is an option with 1300 as well. Yeah, BankQ has this dial for increasing or decreasing. It doesn't. And in my home, the one I have is, I got it from China, like when Alibaba was a thing. And it was, I think, $5. Yeah. Happy Life, what's up with OpenAI's Stargate project? I guess it's a sign for me to start learning more about LangChain AI agents. Yes, guys, that's a very big news. Like, it's a very big news that how much money is being poured into this domain. Like, we can definitely say 500 billion is in this pool now. And so this thing is going up like hell. So this is the right time to jump into AI in any way possible. Or not just AI, like anything which helps AI grow. For example, like these NVIDIA, GPU companies, whatever we can do in these domains, just jump into these companies, start looking for what they want and just becoming a partner, kind of a partner with them. Partner means like even if you're an employee, you're a partner of that company. Shridat, I have plans of becoming individual developer like you and also do YouTube and become an influencer, but sometimes I lose motivation and lack of time. How did you handle in your personal life? Shridat, it's a thing, like it's very common, and so again, it's just that you have to stick to few things. I haven't like cracked anything yet. I just do things now a bit more consistently. Like if I have decided to run, I would just go run. I'll not give it a second thought that today it's raining or today it's like my leg is paining a little bit. And this is what I have trained to myself for a very long time. I think it took me more than 2 years, and now it has become a little bit easier, to be honest, to do things consistently. And consistently doing things, even if you put like 30 minutes or 45 minutes, but put that consistently, the compounding which happens is crazy. And once I understood this, then my brain got like more trained. And yeah, again, I don't know if you guys were there, but I want to again share this because I loved this so much. Let me share it again. Where is that? Wait. Let me share it. Let me share it. Yep, this is the thing. So this is what I read recently, which came in my like timeline. So the main thing here is like based on science also, discomfort means the brain is right on the verge of change. So anytime you are quitting something, if we don't try, the brain never rewires for the better. If we quit, the brain will get better at quitting. If we keep going, the brain will get better at persisting. And this I have seen live in my life. And so yeah. So whenever you feel like quitting, I think that's the time when your neuroplasticity happens. And if you still persist after that, and then you become like a completely different person. This is the line I really like, which hit me. Where is it? is it? Hollow practice learning, quitting, walking, new challenge, also you can because we, if we stay in the struggle, I think okay, yeah. Basically, this is the thing. I don't know. I missed that line somewhere. Yeah, I hope I put my message out there. If it helps anyone. But yeah, Pakoda. Good evening. Hey, hi Pakoda. Welcome back. Karthike. Hey bro, what are you building right now? Hey Karthike, welcome to the stream. So I'm currently working on my own project, which is called posthandle.com. This is a website to schedule your short form content. Yeah, I'm working on the timeline feature of it. Israr, life is an infinite sum game. Keep giving it again and again. That's completely true. So yeah, keep trying as many times. Like there was this crazy quote I read somewhere recently. People say like 99% of the, like not people, like data say like 99% of the startups fail, but 100% of the founders succeed. So this is the thing, because if you are a founder or entrepreneur or you have this mindset of building things, you will fail multiple times on different things, but eventually because you have this mindset, persisting mindset of keep trying, keep doing new things, experimenting, eventually something will work. Atharv, discipline. Yes, man, discipline. Pakoda, I got my solution for auth. I will use Clerk for auth and use MongoDB for other data. Will save Clerk user ID in Mongo. Awesome. You were looking for some Mongoose help, right, Pakoda? Hope you have figured it out now. दक्ष ब्रो, एक बार फाइल स्ट्रक्चर बता सकते हैं रिएक्ट नेटिव CLI का, लाइक हाउ सोर्स फोल्डर क्या क्या होना चाहिए? Daksh, what exactly you want to know, like how to structure your file? Because to be honest, it depends on how you like it, but you should follow like some standard practices. And I would suggest like talk to ChatGPT or Claude. They can like ask them what makes more sense based on your project. I can show you on one of my app. Let me check. Let me first close all the running windows. Yeah, this is a little bit sensitive thing. I don't want to publicly open. So yeah, this is how my structure is. So when you run and make an Expo app, Daksh, so there you will have the Android folder. So I am running this, developer build from Expo. So all my Android and iOS are here because I do some custom things on these. And then there is the source, which contains the assets and app. And app has the navigations, the screens, controllers, hooks, and all. But again, talk to any AI good agent and it will help you if you want to brainstorm. So brainstorm based on what your project is about. I like this way. Maybe you have some other ways. Vivek, Clerk is good for hobby project, but in long run, charge high. Yeah, I recently worked with Clerk in my previous Electron app. It was a big, like we were stuck on like packaging the app because Clerk SDK was giving so many issues. I don't know, maybe it was the Clerk issue or something else, but we couldn't package the app. And in the end, we gave up. Yes, but I didn't find any information on using Mongoose with better auth, so I changed my plan. That's nice, Pakoda. We have to pivot into the solutions which work for our projects. Zuma, so this is basically my football club. Like, aren't you feeling depressed enough? Handle this? Okay, football chat. I would be on the side, guys. Otherwise, I will sound very stupid. Pakoda, Vivek, it's for learning. Okay. Happy I am 21, but sometimes I feel that I am too late in this game because when I open X, I see a 17-year-old build startup. I feel anxious and I ask myself what I have been doing. I should have started early. Wow, man. Wow. People at 21 feeling anxious. Guys. Chill. Chill, guys. Live a little. Enjoy a little. You have a lot of time. And you don't know like how just doing something for 6 months consistently will be so huge. Like it will be like you will be a different person if you pick something and in next 6 months. So don't feel sad or anxious or this with someone who is younger than you. Everyone has a very different path, and looking at their path, comparing them to us is only this only gives misery, nothing else. But yeah, I can understand. It's not like I was not anxious when I was at that age. But yeah, from now, like from this point of view, I can just say do some like meditation as well. Like this has helped me to not be anxious. I had like crazy FOMO 2 years back. But I stopped using Twitter back then at one point because every time I just refresh, there was some crazy news and I was like, oh wow, this is happening. Maybe I should just keep refreshing my Twitter to be up to date, to know everything what's happening. Shubham, hello, hi Shubham, welcome back. Pakoda, I'm 21 too, but I feel like a kid. Lol. Yes, guys, you are 21. You like, I'm jealous. You have so much, so much. If you guys are at 21, even thinking and building things, I don't know where like your trajectory is already so huge. Just keep at it. Amit, chill, bro. You are still young. Play some sports and do some workout and take a chill pill. Exactly. Shubham, I'm late, I guess. Not much. Like we just talking about this new ID which TikTok launched, and yeah, I haven't even started in the last 25 minutes. Are we only guys who listening lo-fi? So I do listen to things which do not hit me with a copyright, but all my streams get copyright hit no matter how non-copyrighted music I play. But this is one of my favorite playlists. I didn't even see it has non-copyright. I don't think this is non-copyright. This is a lo-fi hip-hop. This I generally play when I'm working. Yeah. Any other song, Daksh, if you have in mind, which would not kill my channel? Atharv, I'll have to go interview soon. Got a prep art. All the best, Atharv. Bye-bye. See you soon. I am 221, bro. Don't take stress. If you are trying new things and doing something consciously daily, you are already ahead of many. Yes. But at this point, I'm also not in this race of being ahead of people. I don't know. It could get into a lot of other domain. So yeah. Just don't stress. Yeah, basically clear your priorities and take stress on that down. Yep. Rightly said, Vivek. Phenomenal. How to get started with learning about AI, being familiar with full stack? Uh, yeah, that's a good question. Phenomenal. I would suggest like start from a very small problem in AI which you want to solve, and then I think you will get into this rabbit hole. You will hear some different words, and then you will go like, what does this mean? What does this mean? And that's how generally how I learn. Like just pick a problem, go start solving it with AI, and then you will like go into this rabbit hole of doing things. Also, guys, I did not wanted to like introduce it now, but I'm working on a kind of a course, uh, which is something similar because as I told in my previous stream, there was this someone who I met who's a pretty good engineer, and he wanted to move into AI, wanted to learn, and he noticed like I'm building all these AI apps, and so he was asking my help like what the roadmap could look like. So I started preparing a roadmap, and I might open it as a course. Yeah, not now, maybe next month. If anybody is interested, I will publish it. Daksh, no, I was asking like, is there any speaker from you listening? Because I think there is no earbud in your ear. Oh no, there's a speaker in front of me which is playing this music, but I guess it's not echoing via this speaker. That's if it is, then I would put my earbuds right here, there, and otherwise I just love the vibe when it's on the speaker without the earbuds. JD, I'm planning to build a rent management app for a property owner. Basically, they can host property and manage rent and all from the app. That's an interesting project, JD. I think there are a couple of startups who are doing it, kind of like an Airbnb dashboard for people. Yeah, if you can get like 3-4 properties onboarded, like my advice would be just talk to few property owners, get them onboarded before start building. Listen to Eminem. That's the 100% way to get blocked. I haven't started building. Should I validate the idea first? Yes, JD, definitely. Just validate the idea first. Talk to at least, like if I were you, I would talk to at least 50 renting owners, because if I consider 2% conversion rate out of 50, I would have like one person who'd agree. So if out of 51% is agreeing, then you should talk to like 100 and consider 2 people who agree on this. Make a list of like 5 people who want to onboard on this project, and then start building. Then give them the first MVP to test it out, and then you start scaling. JD, I haven't. Okay, Vivek, can you share that roadmap PDF on your Discord? Yeah, Vivek, I will very soon. So I'm still like thinking, should I make what kind of course or what kind of direction should I go? And I might finish it soon. I'm not getting enough time these days. Yeah, I really hate when I have to make an excuse based on time. I don't like it. Phenomenal. Your message is removed for some reason. Happy life. Thanks for the advice, everyone. I'm not taking any stress. I just spend my quality time with my pet birds to soothe my mind. Oh yeah, happy bird. You have the birds, right? Yesterday you were talking about that. Interesting. So yeah, man, chill with the birds. Yeah, FOMO can get all of us, guys. The internet has trained us. What am I doing here? This is an OCD now. Okay. Okay, so I have dropped the idea of adding the text layer. It's just way too complicated for this AI. So today I'll just go into one thing, which is adding remotion. Let me give it. Let's test the capabilities of this. Add remotion dev in this. project and add a preview view in the studio section. Motion player. It's a very big task which I have given to AI. Let's hope it can do it. Can you share it now if it's ready? Also, you can share a wish list from Get Insights about potential buyers. Yeah, Vivek, I'll do that. Like, not now, it's not done. So yeah, once I'm done with it, I'll share a rough draft with you guys to get some feedback. Daksh, how you monetize the app means you make the only which give the service in exchange of money, because I create the app and I can't think how I monetize it. Yeah, Daksh, there are multiple ways. I have monetized my app using ads earlier, and nowadays I'm just making apps which can which people buy. They pay either a monthly cost or a lifetime cost or a one-time cost. Currently I'm experimenting with like monthly cost and lifetime cost, and later on I will also consider some apps which will be just one-time buy, because personally I don't like the idea of subscription based apps if they don't need like payment every month. For example, like this cursor and all, I know these needs a monthly payment because these guys have to pay the bills of AI. But there are some apps, for example, like this SIP app, right? Now this SIP app is here with just, I have this app to know which color is here, so I can just copy these colors. Now this app has a monthly plan. So it doesn't make sense, right, to pay monthly for these kind of things. I think, where is it? Okay, maybe these guys have not, but I noticed they have a premium plan or something. So I don't like this approach of every small software needs a monthly payment. So yeah, Daksh, I think that was helpful. Phenomenal. By the way, what project are you building? Also, do you experience building recommendation system or custom feed? I have heard like recommendation systems. If by recommendation system you mean like listicles where you recommend things. I recently talked to one guy like last month. He's a student at New York University. He's doing his marketing course, I guess, and he's building a listicle app, which was very interesting, where you can share what you like, your favorite movies and all, in a very small link. So anyone asks what's your favorite movies, you can just share that link and they can see the list. Not just movies, he's building it for a lot of other domains. I found it very interesting. But yeah, phenomenal. I would like to know a little bit of explanation. What do you mean by custom feed? Pakoda, what our highest watching? I think we hit it 18. Oh wow, nice, very nice. Gautam, desk setup video, please. Yes, Gautam, I am recording it this week. I have recorded, I think, on Monday and today. And if I record it tomorrow as well, then I'll compile everything by Saturday. And on Monday, hopefully, or even on Saturday, I could push that video out. Yeah, I'm excited for this video now. Like, so many people have asked about it. So let's see if this video will blow this account. Oh, I wanted to do one poll. Yes. Okay, Daksh is asking, so you paid to Google Ads to promote your app and get higher rank, and if yes, so how you calculate the profit? Daksh, I do not pay Google or even Apple to rank my app. I don't even think ranking works like that. You cannot pay to rank your app higher. You can pay to get more visibility. Like they can run ads, which specifically mentions ad, like a tag in front of it. So yeah, currently I'm not doing any paid marketing for my apps. They rank organically based on the keyword research which I am ranking them with. Gautam, your last video's intro was so good. Thank you, Gautam. You mean the cursor video, right? Where of my desk, if I am correct. But yeah, thank you so much. This means a lot. These are like good feedbacks, guys. this brings some neuroplasticity in my brain to make more of that type of content. 0 degree coder, hey, really loves your content. Thank you, Zero. Thank you so much. Phenomenal. Like in Twitter, we get personalized feeds and recommended user. Also, are you on Blue Sky? Phenomenal. I made an account on Blue Sky, but not using it. I also tried Threads. I tried okay, my phone is here. Otherwise, I would have shown you what I did. I was so my this mental map was so trained to just open Twitter. So what I did, next to my camera on the home screen, I have added Thread, so that whenever I want to go to any social media, I should open Thread. But Thread is not there where X is, guys. The completely different audience. And I think some people who are on X are using Thread from some automation tool. So whatever they post on X, it goes to Thread. But once you reply there, nobody replies back. So yeah, it's a ghost town right now for me. So yeah, similarly, I do not use Blue Sky because I don't know how many users are using it. But on X, it's very real time for me right now. So yeah, I like personalized feed. I really like personalized feed. I have done this to my Twitter feed. Like my Twitter feed is so good. I love my Twitter feed because I have built it brick by brick. So I dislike whatever I don't want to delve into, like anything political or anything like extreme, because these social media algorithms try to play on the very cheap emotions of human beings, which I have learned, like just showing a very brutal scene and then you will be hooked immediately. And that's why I just press on not interested immediately, so that it understands I'm not interested that kind of content, because my reason why I open Twitter is completely different why I go there. And that's why I love my Twitter feed. So I love these personalized feeds. Wherever I can make my personal feed, I make that. Gautam, yes. Okay, thank you, Gautam. Thank you so much. 0 degree, how you survive service being an indie hacker, like money and other stuff and spends. So 0 degree, I have worked for last 10-11 years, and I have done this multiple times. This is my 4th time quitting my job and doing this solo thing. This time I'm pretty stable already because 10 years. So good runway I have. And also I have contract work which I go into sometimes when I feel okay, balance is going down. I pick some contract work, and otherwise my apps have started making money. So yeah, I'm not completely broke at this point. Gautam, that coffee intro. Okay, thank you, Gautam. I love coffee and I love to show it on all my videos. Okay, let me. Okay guys, so I'm running this experiment to know what would you guys like should I keep these Q&As active like what I do and just don't work much, or should I just focus on my work? And otherwise okay, what it has done. I like how whatever dude is winning. We have chill guys, man. We have chill guys in the chat. Why it's not taking the rule? I have given you the rule, man. It's a rule important. Why? Oh, this is windsurf. Shit. Should copy it in windsurf as well. tools. Oh shit. Wait. Delete. This one I definitely need. Here, Windsurf setting. There was one setting. And global AI rules. Yes. I have given it. Why? A 0-degree Goddess Spike. Thank you. Thank you. Happy Life. I have tagged you on Discord. Sure, Happy Life. Let me check. In general. My birds. Oh, wow. Wow. Guys. So these are our member Happy Life's bird. Crazy, man. Crazy. They look so cute. Do they talk? Like, these are parrots, right? Some exotic parrots. Very nice. You're a lucky man. Spending time with birds. Don't know about others, but I will not watch a dude getting errors on a live stream that is not even talking. Okay, that's one way to put it. Zuma, if you really want to push your YouTube, you can ask people to comment down. It helps in engagement and YouTube loves it and it recommends to more people. Yeah, guys, do comment. I would really appreciate if you guys do comment on these streams as well. I thought like liking would be enough, but Zuma's cat is bringing a new algorithm hack. So yeah, guys, comment. I would love it. Thank you, Zuma. JD, any idea of a useful AI app idea that you think is worth building? I want to build things, but I struggle to find good ideas because of less exposure. Any idea? JD, that's a so good question. And I have almost like 50 AI ideas. I don't know if any one of them will work, but those are like real problems which I generally face. And I thought there should be an app for it. I think I shared one app idea earlier, which you can build, which is my recent problem, which if I get time, I will definitely be building it. It's kind of these live stream dashboard where if I link my YouTube channel, it would download my videos automatically, transcribe them, tell me what was like, give a basic notes, what was discussed, main idea, and what makes more sense for a title of that video, what makes more sense for as a description, and maybe just pushing a boundary a little bit, change the thumbnail of my video automatically. This would be such a great idea, great like app basically. And I have other like 50 other ideas, and I'm making a database of these ideas which I would share with you guys if anyone is interested. Pakoda, how to comment? Can we comment when it is live? Sorry, Pakoda, I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, I think in live you can only comment on live. Yeah, I don't think in live we can comment. Yeah, but still, thank you, man. Thank you for looking into that. Yeah, commenting here is fine, I guess. Yes, they are parrots. They do talk with me. Oh, wow. Did you teach them or they were like trained when you get them? Memes book. What should I use for a subscription model in my app? Is Revenue Cat okay? Which one you use? Memes book. Welcome to this stream. I use Revenue Cat. I love everything about that. It's so simple and it makes my subscription journey very simple. Like I've been using them for like 5 years now, 4-5 years. So yeah, Revenue Cat. For paywall, like if you want to experiment, I recently started doing it with Superwall. You can check it out, and Superwall has an integration with Revenue Cat, and you can like remotely change settings with Superwall, like the whole page and all. That's a great feature which I love in Superwall. Israr, no, we can't comment on live stream. Yeah, I just checked, Israr. Thank you again for checking that out. But yeah, maybe on the videos, guys. But you guys already comment. I have noticed like whenever I publish. all the members who are live here, they do comment. 0 degree coder, just for curiosity, what are the product which you had built? What are the products which you have built? I think I have to make a list of all the things. You can go to my bento. I have linked couple of them there. Everything is scattered right now. This is a good place when I will just put them in a single place and can share with you guys. One of like I have created 2 WhatsApp bots and one like 3-4 mobile apps which are live on my account, and one of them is really doing good. And other than that, this web app which I'm currently working on, and there are multiple other web apps which I have worked on but are not so famous. Meme book, thanks bro, you're welcome. Meme book 0. And what are the challenges faced while onboarding the paid users? I don't think there is any challenge. It's just a game of first is a game of how they find about my app. Like when I start a new project, I have to just think about how people will find about it. I just focus my energy on that. And once that is sorted, when I see like, okay, I have 10-15 people who are coming every day, then it's time to think about conversion, like how they will start using the app. So I'll focus more on onboarding. I make this analytics chart. Maybe I'll make a proper video about it, where I see which step they reached, where they dropped. If they dropped at the pricing page, then it's time to work on the pricing page. Maybe give a free trial, decrease the price, all those things. And if you see, okay, now they're passing that, now they are using it for one day and then not using, maybe talk to them why they are not using, what's the problem, why they are unsubscribing. And this is a loop which all the apps have to go through. It's not like one shot hit. I have never had a one shot hit. You have to always work on this loop of fixing small roadblocks, and then you have a smooth app. Then you keep adding features. Never work on features first. But I do not abide by my own philosophy. I do love working on features, and sometimes I just do that for my own fun. Yeah, 0 degree, I think that was helpful. If not, please do reply. Zuma's cat, no, after the live stream ends, you can comment on it. Oh, awesome. Yeah, guys, please. Or before the stream is scheduled, or you can leave your comment. Interesting. JD, you are talking about the live streams that people do know. Gets automatically downloaded, do stuff, points out summary with timestamp and thumbnail change. Yes, JD. That seems interesting. Yeah. If you can make it, I would happily test it out. And if it's really good, I'm okay to pay a little bit for that. If you give me an option to put my API keys so that you do not take the cost of AI, that would be good as well. But yeah. 0. Awesome, man. Thanks a lot. You're welcome. Israr, infinite sum game. Yes, guys. JD, I would love to look at your app idea. DB. Okay, sure. I'll compile it once and I'll share it with you guys. What job you do? I don't work right now for any company, but I do this like as full time. And yeah, this is like I have a more than 8 hours job these days. So working on my own things. So I think 18 people have voted, whatever do. Guys, I like you. You guys are chill. Whatever, dude. Do whatever. Eco, why? What is happening, agent? Why you are so slow, agent? This thing will not be rewarded in your promotion. Guys, if this agent could talk, I would make it like a Morty voice. Rick and Morty? So this should have a Morty voice and it should talk to me like that. When it does any mistake, it should be like ashamed, like Morty is always. What? We have a component directory. We have a source component. We have a UI. What is wrong with this thing? Where did you learn all this? Oh shit, no, not reject all. Is there a way to go back? Oh, okay, cool. We are good. We are good. Add shared CN card. Simple. Net mastak. Yep. A lot of yep. No man, I'll do it myself. What is happening? How many work hours a day you work in an average? So it depends. Like sometimes it's 9 hours, sometimes it's 7. So like today it's like 6:50, so it will be like 7 hour 50 minutes or something. I have got this timer on top which records how many hours I have been sitting in the computer screen, and then I run these pomodoros which records how many hours I was actually doing something productive. So I run this when I'm like coding or doing something where I need a deep session. So for this, if you look at it, I have done 4 hour 41 minutes today with 9 minutes of break. And no, sorry, this is not for today. This was yesterday. So yesterday was a good day. I worked almost for 5 hours, like the real work. And today it's 2 hours it's showing, but 2 hours will be this chat and all. So this will be almost like 3-4 hours today as well. Yeah. But yeah, can you share some ideas how you design this app? Maybe thoda knowledge milega. Yeah, Zuma, I did one stream, I think last Saturday, where I was designing this app in Figma. So maybe that stream could be helpful. It's somewhere there in my live streams. Which software we use for playing this song and running this time on site timer? This looks so modern and cool. So 0 degree, this is called Pomodoro Sessions Pomodoro app in Mac only, and it's a free app. So yeah. And for music, I'm just using YouTube Music, running a YouTube video. This one, Ghibli Coffee Shop. Anyone of you is a Ghibli fan, Ghibli movies fan? Yeah, today I put like full bottle because today I got a cramp, and a pretty bad cramp on my like stomach, you can say, like upper ab, because someone was teaching me a new exercise in the gym about upper abs, and I'm doing like, and I overdid it. That time it didn't felt much, but it's been 2 days and my upper has hurt so badly. And today I got like a crazy cramp in the day when I was just stretching. And then I thought like maybe it's a water thing. I'm drinking less water from past few days. Zero water, thank you. You're welcome. But yeah, we are getting this error. What is happening? Which module is not found? Amp dev. What is amp dev? We don't have amp dev in package JSON. I'm pretty sure this has to do with the remotion library we have added. You know, I am having working for 3 years in IT as remote full stack engineer. I make a good money, but did not able to come up to become indie dev. I have insecurity. Yeah, zero degree. Like if again, I was again saying the same thing in my previous stream. It depends. Like it depends. It's not like I don't say if you're liking your job and you feel it's good, then I think it's fine. Like don't think about, or if you want to become an indie dev and you're like having insecurities about it, like what will happen, to be honest, it's not that bad. Most of the fear is in our head only most of the time. Yeah, I would say again it depends on everyone's circumstances, their lifestyle and all, responsibilities. A lot of other things play a big role. But in my case, I felt like I was also very scared when I wanted to leave. But after 6 months, like 6 months, I was so, like panicked, like what will happen. And there was like, once you do not get that paycheck, right, for 1 month and then 2 months and 3 months, and you see your savings depleting, it's not a very good feeling, and it's hard. But after 6 months you get used to it, and then you see progress on other things, because obviously you're not sitting, right, you're not sitting idle, you are doing different things on that same 8 to 10 hours for you. So then it starts to become easier when you see progress on other things happening. Then money takes a little bit of backseat. It's fine, and it's not that hard. In my case, it was not like, I did not feel, I'm not saying like I'm very stable at this point, I'm still in my journey, but it's not that bad as it was earlier. Even I make money from YouTube. Oh wow, you're a YouTuber. Give me some tips, man. My channel is not even monetized yet. What's your channel? Oh wow, you have, crazy. Guys, we have a member who is a YouTuber already. 4.2k subscribers with 240 videos. Crazy, man. You are really consistent. Wow. Almost 500,000 views. Awesome. That's really nice. Zero degree. You're an inspiration, man. Memes book. Skills for 2025 for corporate Majdoor. AI. Anything in AI, guys. US has poured $500 billion yesterday. So anything in AI. Anything close to AI. It's zero degree. It's goosebumps, but still seems challenging. Yeah, man. It's challenging. It's not easy. Zuma. I used to get cramp in my toes, so what I used to do is lie down and hold my thumb and pull it, or you can say bend it, basically how physio do it in cricket. Yeah, Zuma. So I was doing the same thing. I was stretching on every single position, but cramps are like a different breed of pain. Like it's not very painful. It's, I don't know, it's a discomfort, and you're just stuck and you feel like the pain is just going to start. Yeah, it's very discomfort feeling. So that's why I'm scared. I'm drinking a lot of electrolyte and water now. Thanks. Thank you. You're welcome, Zero. Memes. I'm in my last year of computer engineering. What should I do further? Any tips, please? Please guide me. Yeah, just again, it's based on, pick anything which is your interest. Number one thing. what you really feel is interesting to you, and you can put 8 to 10 hours every day without feeling like it should not feel like a work to you. Like to me, it was like when companies started paying me back in 2014 for making apps, I was like, guys, you're paying me for this? So yeah, it should be like that. I get to do this and get paid. Like that kind of feeling. Why it's stuck on this card thing? Okay, I'll accept everything what you're saying. $3,001 you are starting. Why? 0 degree coder. Have you worked on abroad as well? 0 degree. So I have worked on with companies mostly outside India. Last company where I was working for was a Singapore based company, but majorly operating from Thailand. So I was working from Thailand mostly. Like I used to go there almost every 6 months for 1 month to work from their office. Yeah, that is the max abroad work I did. Now anyone knows where this agent runs the dev server? Because it's not showing the terminal to us, it's hiding. We'll connect with you on LinkedIn. Need some guidance on this. Yeah, sure, man. As I have sufficient experience, almost 3 years. Yeah, sure. Okay, finally we have a preview which is showing up, but the problem is it's showing on a very wrong place. So this agent needs some reinforcement learning. It's definitely not this place, brother. Don't ruin my timeline here. Go to studio section, and here I have a preview area. This is the place where you should dump this and import it. Be fast, be fast. Yep, it's here. To get a broad job. Okay, cool. Amit, it opens to terminal session. Does it? Like it's not showing in the terminal bar, and I can't see here in this. So for example, it ran this command right here. It was running this pnpm dev. Then it started it. I don't know. Then I have to tell it to close it. Otherwise, I would have terminated that server. I wanted to see where it's running it because it was definitely not running it here. Yeah, not sure. Meme book. I have developed some apps with Flutter and Firebase for my college project. Few of them are AI apps. Interesting memes. Very nice. Any tips? How did you crack these company jobs? Just apply on talk to these people when they open any job portals. Apply there. That's what I did. I did not do anything different. The jobs were there. I was just applying there and I got, nothing special I did, to be honest. Which is the best IT job for freshers? It should be easy, high paying and in demand. Which one do you think is the best? There is no best job, Vishnu. And coding jobs will become less and less attractive with time. I believe they will, for few years, maybe 25, 26, front-end jobs will be in demand because, we need some sort of a front-end to interact with these AIs. But I don't think any job will be best. Anything with AI, data engineering, maybe machine learning. Yes, I also want to know how to crack company jobs. guys, just learn or one anything which you are good at, which is in demand and right now in market. And one of the trick which I can give you is go to any like listing where jobs are listed, filter it based on your interest, see what they are looking for in their job description, and look for like 20-30 people. You will see a pattern what the demand is, and you will find out, okay, this is the demand, so maybe this is a skill which I should master now, and pick it up, build projects around that skill for like next 3-4 months, apply, show them as a proof of your skills, the project you did on that particular skill. And yeah, I think then you'll be better than others who are just applying. Just a suggestion. Again, my tips are subjected to market risk, guys. Any specific platform or LinkedIn? I usually use what is that? Earlier it was AngelList, now it's Wellfound, I think. Yes, Wellfound. So I used to find from here. Back then, like all the international teams used to sit here, but I think now LinkedIn is pretty good, and you can go to the LinkedIn's job portal, apply from there as well. And motion preview, I noticed player card. Why do we need a card? This card created all the fuss. We don't need it. Thank you. I had planned to switch this year. Let's see. Yeah, all the best, 0 degree, on your search. So we have 30 minutes. Give me a break, guys. I'm just coming. I have to do one small thing. Cool, we are back here, and the good thing is we have a preview now. so we can see our video. Now the only thing which is to scrub through the timeline and see if we can manipulate the video. Based on that, we can have a full screen as well. Maybe we don't need a full screen. So one thing which I would really like here, if I can center this div, the best part about this job, centering a div. Okay, width full, PG red 500. Okay, so this is definitely not taking this into account. Why? Okay, because I have given it transparent here. Yes, now it is. Now we can just tell it to do the thing. Center the player in the middle of the middle of the set, I guess. Now in the middle, why would you change it to 20? Not sure, but it did work. And I don't need this gray. And I definitely need more radius, which would be around 40. Yes, this is good. This is good. See, this is looking nice, right? In the middle. And with the shadow as well. Cool. And one other thing which I want to do is, no, it's not here, it's on the studio section. I want to give this emotion players div. This is like PG red 500. Which one? Yes, it's here. So composition width should be by 2 and by 2. Or maybe it should be HD, that's fine. But this thing should be by 1.2 and by 1. It's good. And what is 1.3? This is better. 1.4 maybe. Yes, this is nice. Wait. But what is taking? It has a padding somewhere. It's padding 4. I don't need it. And what if I want to make it in the center? This didn't work because it switches its parent. I think this is the parent here. It is flex 1. Justify center. Item center. Okay, no. Something is messed up. You can say padding top 10. Maybe 4. Maybe 8. Let's remove this first. Yeah, this is good. This is nice. But the thing is, it will always remain like this. I want to make it more responsive. But maybe let's look at the UI later on. Let's focus on the content. Cool. So let's commit this. Commit and push the code. What it has done here. Motion player is here. Next is updated. Motion is added. BNPM lock is fine. But why we have package and PNPM? I don't want to use PNPM. Card changes, delete file. Even I'll run it with yarn only. Okay, this is adding a video source. That's good. Another is timeline. On video select, which would trigger on what. I don't think this will work. This would definitely not work. Drop a video to preview. Okay, let's see. Yeah, nothing. It crashed. It crashed the page. This is crazy. It worked actually. It did show the preview. Very nice. So what it has done in timeline, it has added a new load. Let's see, this new load is working. इसरार इतनी शांति क्यों है? इसरार finally I'm able to work a bit. So I think all the questions are finished. But yeah, I think it's good. Like we can load a content here, we upload a video. So first time it's failing, and no, I think it's some other issue. If I select it for movies, let's say, but it did work a little back. Need to fix this again. Vishnu, yeah, it's been silent for some time. Guys, you're not asking anything. Net Mastak, will you make a video someday on your professional career? I guess most seasoned software engineer YouTuber out there making one every other day. Yeah, I can. I don't know how much interested I am on that, because there are a lot of other things rather than career. But yeah, if you guys need, I can. Happy life. People are listening to the music, lol. Oh, that's crazy. Music is really good. I like this vibe. इसरार, मैं यहाँ साइड में काम कर रहा हूँ, मुझे लगा स्ट्रीम बंद हो गई. इसरार, how was your baked protein? So this is a thing with windsurf. Sometimes it just stops working. So I think I'll have to go one by one and make these changes. I just need to see what it did right, and yeah, it's okay. Reject all. I don't want. I can do them by myself. I don't need this AI to take care of my work. I'll go to Cursor. Cursor, my buddy. I'm back. Yeah, you should share your life experience. Also talk about the current projects. Sure. I was making like a weekly videos about my projects, like how they are doing. But then I thought it's getting like repetitive and boring, like because in a week nothing much happens in a project, and so I stopped doing that. It was really tasty. Oh wow, what was the recipe? So I make like my protein oats in the morning. My recipe is very simple and it's not that tasty. Just 30 gram oats, 100 ml water with some like all the seeds. I have 4-5 types of seeds: chia, flax, sunflower, and pumpkin. Like 5 gram of those, and then whatever fruit I have, just mix it up and eat with protein. Yeah, just one protein scoop. Varun, what are you doing, brother? I am new here. Hey, welcome to the stream, Varun. Currently, like I do these streams where I'm working on my project, which is called Post Handle. This will help you schedule short form content for YouTube and Instagram. So I made this timeline view. Currently, I'm just fixing this preview screen, so this preview can play with this video. This is what I'm working on. So far today, like some progress. Yesterday was not very productive day. I was stuck on the text timeline view, but yeah. I'm happy today. Happy life. Your streams are sometimes more like podcast. I can play it in background and just work as well. That's interesting. Happy life. And thank you. You're enjoying them. Vishnu, bulk, cutting or maintaining? I'm just cutting, guys, or like cutting, you can say. I'm mostly cutting. Yes. Or maybe maintaining. Like, yeah, I'm cutting. I want to reduce like my calories. I want to reduce my weight a lot. I think I have built some muscles, but they're not visible because I have so much fat around my body. I just want to cut, but I'm so addicted to food. I think that's one of the source of dopamine for me. So it's very hard for me to cut calories from my diet. That's a struggle, a challenge. Israr, by protein I meant chicken. I know your wish. Okay, Srar. Yeah, that must be very tasty. Obviously, I know chicken is tasty. Yeah, I thought you were drinking like a protein powder or something. But yeah, chicken is a good source of protein. I had a friend back in Bangalore. He was preparing for like a professional, these what you call powerlifting, and I used to live with him for a few. Like I lived with him for a few weeks, and he was training like a mad maniac. What he used to do, he used to bring these chicken breasts, put them in a mixer, put some like yogurt, some like chili, salt, blend it, and he used to close his nose and just drink it up, like gulp it completely, and that was his way of having protein. And he used to smell so bad, his home used to smell so bad because of that. So yeah, I found my new room very soon after that. But yeah, he did very good on these powerlifting. He lifted I think 200 some kgs. Zumas पता नहीं, but आज 14 डिग्री पे भी ठंड लग रही है दिल्ली में. Yeah, 14 is pretty low, man. 14 is cold. Varun, oh nice. From tomorrow I start build my project ideas too with your stream. Varun, welcome man, and all the best for your project. I would love to know a little bit about your project as well. We have a Discord group. If you are interested, you can join there. We do share some resources and what we are working on. It's a good, cool community. Vishnu, I want to learn front-end development. I'm currently doing the lazy work right now. You want to learn front-end development, but Vishnu, now I know you want to do cybersecurity. So learn some cybersecurity, man. Don't delay it. You have to start your cybersecurity, team and all. You told me a few days back. Israr, I hate the idea of grinding chicken. It's 26 here. Oh yeah, in Mumbai it's 26. How much is it in here? Oh yeah, it's same. It's 26 here as well. It's becoming a bit hot. Yesterday, like I started my AC after a long 1 month break. Chirag, hey, what's up? Hey Chirag, welcome back. Bhupendra, hi, how is the current job market for Java developer with 10 years of experience? What do you want to suggest, Web3 or Java? Bhupendra, if you are just starting, okay, you are saying with 10 years of experience, right? So you already know Java, I guess. And in that case, Java is not going anywhere. It's just that there will be not new recruitment for Java jobs. That's for sure. Like the market will be very slow on that, hiring new Java developers. But already who know Java, they will be required. There are huge systems. I think Java is one of the most famous programming language. There are systems built on that. And AI would not be like learning all that millions of lines of code and fixing those softwares. So yeah, Java developers are pretty solid at this point. So is like .NET, so is any CPP or C# developer. But if you are starting new, I would not jump to Java. Like there is nothing new which is being built on Java. But old incumbents are there which are still working with it. I have no experience with Web3, but yeah, based on the trajectory of which Bitcoin is running, I can bet it's going to be big. And recently, like the Trump coin and all, so the market is again jumping, guys. Like it jumped like 4 years back, so it's jumping again. It will go down. Web3 is like no one can say anything about it. But so far it has had so many hurdles and it has crossed everything. So maybe yeah, it will be a good way. I don't know about development on it. I have no idea. I tried Relium to build the wireframe for the website. Relium, I have heard about it. Nice. Israr, yes, I don't like summer at all because I don't have AC. It gets very bad. Oh man, in Mumbai without the humidity and hot. But I think Mumbai weather is still chill, like because it's similar to Goa, I guess. Yeah. In Goa also I need AC in only in when it's huge, like high humidity. I hate humidity. It's so sticky. What about PHP? No one talks about it. I have soft corner for it as working on WordPress, so I know a little bit. You know, I learned PHP as my first backend programming language back in 2012 when I was in my last year of college. And I was, so it's also one of the story. I don't know if you guys are interested in it. I was building a blog. So there were people who were talking about blogs are becoming a new thing. And someone in our campus, a kid, like he started a blogging website where he used to write like tech blogs, and now AdSense started paying him ad money, and he was earning like more than $1,000 a month or something. And that excited me. Wow. I said like blogging is a thing, like people write blogs. Like I knew people write blogs, but I thought like it needs a lot of credibility to write something. And he was just in our college, in our same batch. So I thought I will also start blog, but being this nerdy engineer, I thought I'll not use any existing blog like WordPress theme or anything. I'll build my own blog, and it will be my college last year project. So I started learning. So I knew front end. I built the whole front end and everything. Then I thought, okay, now what about back end? Then I started learning PHP, and the whole blogging system was built on this PHP thing. I hosted it. The name of that blog was View Cloud. I don't know if there are still any pieces remaining for View. So not View Cloud, View Loud blog. Let me see. View Loud. Oh, yes, guys. So this was my logo, View Loud. The X account still exists. Joined on 2012. Yes, this is the time when I started it. You know a lot about me now. So then I learned PHP when I was doing this. I like PHP. In Kerala, will dry up during summer, about 42 degrees heat. Yeah, Vishnu, I'm thinking to like do a road trip to Kerala. And what would be like the best time to visit Kerala? I'm thinking to drive from Goa and stay like for a month, just travel and work. It's still like my itinerary is not ready, but if you can suggest any good time, I would be planning to travel across Kerala. I love that state. I haven't been there, but I have heard so many things about it. No, Mumbai is really bad. One of the worst in India. Humidity is very bad. Yeah, I've heard about humidity, man, in Mumbai. That's again, I think in Goa also similar. How far we are, like maybe 500 kilometers. How far is Mumbai from here? My geography, you know. See, my ADHD kicks in every time. Like I just Google hundreds of shit. From my location to Mumbai. I should know this. It's 500 kilometers, 550. So yeah, it's kind of similar. Meme, I replaced gaming with coding and I'm loving it. Cool, meme. That's really cool. If you are having the same fun as gaming. Usually I don't, but yeah, gaming has some other effect on me. Israr, blogging culture is dying. Yeah, it's dead. I was watching in Twitter, someone mentioned like some blogging website was there. I think this HubSpot's blog, and they showed the rank and just going down since 22. A complete deep dive into oblivion now. Yeah, with the tools like Perplexity, search with ChatGPT, even I think Google now shows this summary on top, so you don't even have to go to any website. Yeah, slowly it will go down. But I still believe, again, this is my prediction, there will be some niche blogs which people will write, but now the generic blogging will be gone, where you have one article and 100 people write almost similar with twisted words. That will not exist. But there will be core people who will write their own like blogs which people will go to read, even pay for reading that. A real human writing something on the screen. Because most of it is like ChatGPT can answer you everything, but personal experiences, what I am having, how was my day, this I can still write and people would be interested to read. But information blogging will be gone, will not be a thing. That's why I love North. You get all type of season, you don't get bored. Zuma's cat, it's a mixed feeling, man. I don't like that extremes. Like if it's hot, it's so hot. If it's cold, it's so cold. Then if it's rain, yeah, rain is okay. I like rain there. Rain is worse in Goa. It's like months of rain. Isra, Laravel is good. Laravel is, I think, a framework for PHP, right? Happy. I live in one of the hottest city in India, and I too don't have AC in my room. Oh, which is the hottest city? Is it in Rajasthan somewhere? Isra, we are not too far, but the crowd, construction, the pollution make it worse here. Oh yeah, Mumbai has a lot of people. Very crowded. Varun, did you try DeepSeeker Varun? Yes, Varun. Like I think yesterday only we were talking about it a lot in our yesterday stream. I tried hosting it locally using LM Studio, and I was using their like a dumbed down version. It's pretty good. Like offline, it was working so good. Even their web portal, I try it like whenever. So this is my chain of AI. I usually work with Claude. If Claude fails, I go to Owen. If Owen fails, then I compare like go to DeepSeek to see if it has a variation of what Owen was giving. And sometimes I notice like DeepSeek can solve some problems. So yeah, I cannot say it's better than Owen, obviously. Israr, have you checked peer list? It's pretty new right now. You might get your username because it's going to be big for sure. I have seen peer list. It was mentioned on this product hunt as well. But is it new? It's been for a while, right? I think it's been for a while. Let's see. Divyanshu. Nope. There is a guy named Divyanshu who is running. Yeah, see? I will never get Divyanshu. Let's make an account here. I'm not making an account, but just blocking my username in case it becomes a big thing. Brief bio. I make apps. This is enough. Create a profile. Search your skills. JavaScript, Node.js, React, Tailwind, TypeScript. Let me do it here. Chirag, I'm also Laravel developer. Oh, nice, Chirag. How is PHP doing these days? Happy life. It is one of the hottest city, not the hottest city. I live in Chandrapur. This city generates electricity for Mumbai, so there are big thermal plants here and it pollutes the area so much. Oh man. I have mine, Israr. Lucky you, Israr. Lucky you. Express next. What else? Oh, GitHub. Is it a skill? Tool. Okay, tool we can also give. Figma. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. What else? What else? I don't want to put this. Even I don't want to put this. Firebase. I'm a big fan. React Native. Yes. Oh, I can't add, so I will remove something. JavaScript I don't want. Where is React Native? Shit. React Native. Add. I think this is good. 33% of your profile is done. Varun, I'm Mon and Next.js. Oh, nice, Varun. Yeah, you should definitely join the Discord, man. I might ask some things from you. Sometimes Next can be painful. I hope you know. Okay, so we are here. How much time we have? Oh shit, we are out of time. Nope. We'll come back tomorrow, guys. PHP is getting better, and with Laravel, it's really enjoyable. I think yeah, Laravel is a very old framework, right? Laravel, the PHP framework for web artisans. I always loved PHP, to be honest. It's just that I moved to Android when I was at learning of PHP, and then I never looked back since. And when I came back to web, there was this Next and everything with React, so it made sense to just build for React Native and React with JS. So yeah, I lost this PHP in this race of frameworks, and where React eat everything. Okay guys, it was really fun today, and yeah, again, as always, I enjoyed this stream. I hope you did too. I'll see you guys tomorrow again, and yeah, we'll continue building the video editor. I hope I'll make some new progress in it before coming tomorrow. Because yeah, I'm liking where we are at this point, and it's time I push a little bit more to make more updates quicker. Because my plan was to make this studio section completed by this month, and we only have 7 days, and we are not at all at speed. So, but yeah, I'm enjoying it. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining.